Oof.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Shit on. Pre-game interview. How are you feeling today?
I'm hungover.
Me too. Pre-game interview. Say some shit.
Do I have
you're
one
on
here?
it.
They got here first, so
Okay,
let's get them on first.
Okay.
It will be SB so far, Sutter, outside. You can go. You guys want to hop in? Yeah. Okay. You want to hop in this week?
Sure.
Okay. Ethan, you want to play this game? Oh, Ford has the mic.
What? I'm not even warmed up.
Oh wait, are you playing?
I don't know.
None of us
Wait.
are warm.
Is it just? Are we just getting started? We're just gonna play right away.
Can we pepper?
I don't even know like what's happening.
Outside.
Wait, who?
This is Yusha.
Oh hi, I'm Lucy. Nice to meet
Lucy.
you.
Tip, Lucy.
Hi.
They'll play outside. And then we need a middle. You need a middle, yeah?
This net looks high as hell.
Okay.
A little higher than color, lower than that.
Middle.
Damn.
What are you gonna play?
Up or outside? I'm setting.
Oh, you're setting.
You're sitting?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh damn.
I
Okay.
think we're surprised.
What am I doing?
I didn't need to set.
What am I doing? You're middle?
Between you two, up or outside?
I'm outside. Oh thank God.
Okay.
Watch the thing with Formula One, the Drive to Survive.
It's not out yet, but
It came out yesterday.
oh it did? Oh you watched?
I watched it for one.
Oh.
I watched not Formula One, the races. But
Oh.
Drive to Survive.
I mean you basically know then.
Yeah.
As fuck.
I know a year later.
Oh shit. So off.
Okay.
There's only one member of Congress.
I was a sub.
Okay.
A long time ago. CrossFit Churro on 3.
Yeah, Churro on 3. 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
Churro.
We're Churro now.
I don't know.
You want to start
Costco
up
Churro
or
now.
Don't care.
I don't care either.
Oh, so there's supposed to be more Costco Churro people coming, right?
No, we only have 15 people total today.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll just sub in.
Okay.
All right, this should go well. 3 of us, 3 out of 6 are
Okay, sounds
hungover.
good.
Potentially more.
Oh. Are you hungover? Never mind. Well, wait, I'm on the side. Everyone gets one. Everyone gets one. Okay.
It should. Oh.
Tip.
It's Lucy back row.
Did I jump? Fuck.
Tip. Sit out.
Yeah, I go pipe. Ah,
Sorry.
I
was
jumped
not
in
ready
front of
for
the
that.
10-foot line.
Wait, is she passing? Okay. Hey.
God damn. This shit's high as hell.
Good. Yeah. Doing better and better now that I'm not sick. Nice serve.
Yay!
Nice.
It's over.
Nice up.
Yeah. No worries. I'll pass. Out.
Out.
What's the score?
I don't think anyone's keeping score.
3-2.
Is anyone even keeping track of the score? Yeah.
He's there. He's there.
We get to block. Get to block Hirsch. Get to block Hirsch.
Yay!
Ace.
Ace.
Oh, they have 5 people. I just realized. Don't they have 5?
Oh.
Yeah, Karen's not.
Wait. For front row is crazy.
Tip him. Oh yeah, smack that.
Oh, me.
You want this?
Yeah. For now.
In. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh!
Oh, sneaky.
Damn, he got me.
I'll get. Nice swing. Is it still bad, yeah?
Yeah, it's not bad. In. Yeah.
Oh. Using the tape.
Alright, I'll get you.
You can stop him.
Oh!
Over.
Yes! Yay! Let's go! Great swing! Let's go.
Free.
Free ball! Yes!
Oh my god. Sorry.
Oh, it's up.
Free ball! I go! Oh, just kidding. Oh!
Wanted to do a good roll.
Fuck am I?
Yeah, maybe.
Wait,
Yeah.
no.
You guys are. Wait.
What's happening?
Where do I
Wait,
go?
can we go here?
Wait. I'm definitely here.
Okay, go. Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, you're fine.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, sorry. Gonna push down more. Wasn't sure.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Wait, are we supposed to be stacked on this
No
side?
stack. Abe is just. Yeah, you're in the middle. You're over there. I'm hitting here.
Oh, fuck. No, I'm there though.
Oh.
Oh, go! Oh no.
Oh, that went over.
We stack.
I think we're stacking.
Yeah,
Well, actually, technically, I should be hitting over there for one, and then I go, but whatever.
Wait, I'm so. Maybe. Wait, what? I thought there was one rotation where I'm.
Sure.
Anyway. Because now I'm serving. I usually. Oh no.
I'm serving.
Oh.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Then that's right. Yeah, we should be stacking there.
Silly.
My bad.
Serve.
Yay.
Sorry.
Okay, so now I'm saying one here. Yeah.
I go. Oh.
Ooh, wow, she can swing. Good swing. Powerful swing.
Where are you playing? Middle back or? Okay. And he's middle back. Or is he playing left? It's in, it's in. Oh, wild. Wild, wild, wild.
It's the alcohol.
Sorry, she's hungover.
What?
Oh my lord.
Michelle literally like went in front of me and then ducked.
Okay, wait.
Gotta be ready for those.
What?
Gotta be ready.
Sorry, that was me.
No, that's fine.
Do you want to play left back or
Wait,
middle
what's
back?
the score though?
Okay, okay.
5-5? 9-9. Okay. 9-5. That makes sense.
It's in, it's in, it's in.
In.
Oh
Oh shit! Over! Oh shit!
Ah.
I'm dead.
Sorry.
Okay.
10-5. Alright, let's go.
It's in. D-ball! Oh. Yay! Way to see it.
I did not see it, I just hit it.
You want middle back or left back? What do you usually play?
Middle back.
Okay, I'm going left then.
Alright,
Okay.
6-10? 6-10, service.
Have to be on this
Oh,
side.
shit.
What's up? Ball.
Fuck.
That's
God
fine.
damn it.
Stick.
If there was a wall,
I know, right?
In.
Oh!
Oh yeah. Ooh.
It's okay, it's okay.
I didn't think it would go all the way.
What? Why are you laughing? Oh, in.
Whoa, yeah.
Whoa.
Ready.
I go.
In.
It's all good.
I think that one was in.
Huh?
I think that one was in.
It was.
Alright, here we go.
I go.
Nice pass. Back row. In it.
I thought that was gonna go further.
Yeah. Remember, Hirsch is weak.
Yeah, say that into the mic.
Oh yeah, shit.
In. Oh, I go.
Set up. Got it. Oh, let's get it. Up.
Oh,
Net.
somebody netted.
Recover.
It's okay. Damn, are we still in this fucking rotation? It's in. 5! Oh.
Ooh. Free.
In.
Nice pass.
Let's go, Tiff!
Nice.
I go! Oh, just kidding.
Stop.
Yeah! Let's go, Abel!
one each.
Leave it to the
Let's fucking
setter.
go.
Alright, time to push. Ooh.
It's all good.
Like for real.
6-8.
Watch short.
In. Nice. Ooh. Good idea.
Nice.
7, 8. And nice up. Ooh. The high net.
You need a lower.
She needs to drink less.
Come on, I'm passing dimes.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, it's in.
Oh.
Tip, tip, tip.
Stop. 3.
3? I go.
Stop. Ooh. That's right. Okay. I'm gonna puke soon. Alright, let's get it.
George!
Oh my goodness!
So short. Tip! Oh God! Whoa.
What is going
Free
on?
ball! I go.
In.
Let's go, Tiff!
Free.
Free. Oh, I go. Oh, just kidding.
Tight. Oh shit. My bad. Nice block.
Yeah! Let's go. Good block.
Nice block. This game is so weird. I'm okay.
What's wrong?
I did, yeah.
It is
It was
weird.
fun. Too short. Like the main
I mean, none
person
of us
came on
were
for only like
warm. Now we're
25,
warm.
30 minutes.
It's
Over.
over. Yeah.
Throw.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
nice
Nice swing. Same serve. Lost track of the score.
9? Like 9 points or 19?
9-18.
Nice serve.
Oh fuck.
Hey, good pressure. Time to push.
I pushed fucking 9.
No more.
10, 18.
Actually, good one. You get a little too high.
Okay. Ooh, good idea. Oh, sorry. $19.10.
Jesus. Yeah. Oh my God. No, it's okay. What? No worries.
2010. In.
Oh, yeah, you got me.
Oh, nice.
Yeah!
What a kill.
I think there must have
Set out.
Ceiling!
Over. Oh, it's up.
I go. Yeah. Oh, out.
Woo!
Great set.
Brown setter to hit.
It's in. Yep.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Was there a net?
Free ball. Yeah. Woo. Yes, you got me.
Tight. It's up.
Yay!
It's okay. Hers touched the net anyway. Nice serves. Nice hits. We'll take those hits all day.
It's in. Yep. Okay.
Over. Sit out.
I'm here.
Stop.
I go. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh, what's going on?
Yeah, you got me.
I got it.
Like they keep passing the ball.
Yeah, they're always targeting you.
Watch short.
Touch. No middle.
Whoa.
Hey.
Not the windmill.
Don't know the score.
Who knows? Oh, my calf is cramping.
Sit out. I got it. Over.
Oh no!
Tip. Got it.
Oh,
Out. Oh.
damn. Rough. All right.
I'm tired.
Stack this way.
Gotta take off this too. All right. Okay.
Yes.
Oh shit! Again! Every time.
Got him.
Outside.
Oh shit, me.
It's so hot today. Oh, gotta take this off. Touch!
Whoa!
Touch!
Okay,
Double.
I'm setting you.
Okay.
No worries.
Ooh. 3-6.
In. Good pass.
Woo. Good set.
It's okay.
Good swing. Yeah, I gotta set worse. Okay. Game point.
Oh. T-ball. Oh, me.
That's you. Oh, nice swing. Oh, sorry. It's okay.
Oh
Ooh.
Just up.
Nice job. She slow reaction. Oh. Good game.
no. Game.